Hey guys, today we're putting together a fruit and nutty chicken salad. Looking for a quick and easy dish to put together for your next potluck? Then this is it. Let's get into it. For a no-fuss chicken salad, go out and get yourself a rotisserie chicken. It's just as good as if you baked it yourself. So we're only going to use the breast because I like making my chicken salad with that part of the meat. And we're going to save the other parts for dinner later on this week. Take your breast and cut it lengthwise into 5 strips. Then dice them into 1/2 inch to 1 inch pieces. Now for the nutty part, I have some pecans here, and I'm going to add about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of pecans. And I'm adding them to this plastic bag because I'm going to use my rolling pin to break them into pieces, or should I say chunks, because I don't want them chopped up, because I want to know that they're pecans in my salad. Next, we're going to add our apples. And this pre-prepared bag of apples is perfect. It's going to cut our process down tremendously. We do not have to peel apples, and we do not have to slice them. We only have to dice them into 1/2 inch to 1 inch pieces, just like we did our chicken. Guys, remember to make this salad your own. You do not have to stick with apples. You do not have to stick with pecans. You can switch it up. I have made this with almonds, walnuts. They all look good. And I love making this particular salad with grapes. Now we're simply going to add our pecans in, and we're going to toss everything and get it mixed well. Now for your dressing, just go ahead and add your favorite Poppyseed dressing to this particular combination, and trust me, it's a hit. Now I make my chicken salad in large batches, so I make my poppy seed dressing, and everything starts with a good mayo. A good meal with a little sugar. Now the amount of dressing you use in your salad is totally up to you. I tend to make my salad a little on the wetter side because I know that salad is going to absorb a great deal of the dressing. And make sure you keep some extra dressing on hand so when it's time to serve your dish, you can easily moisten your salad. Just a little tip. Okay guys, you see how simple this was. We didn't turn our stove and oven on for anything. We literally put this together. So when I put my salad together, I like to use some type of lettuce at the bottom, whether it's romaine lettuce or butter lettuce. It just makes it such a beautiful display. Guys, I want to thank you so much for sharing your time with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And always remember to keep life simple, and we're going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.